Now we'll show you control panel and parameter settings. This is the control panel of the machine. This is the push button for changing welding process. This welding process has three indicators: arc welding mode, DC TIG welding mode, and DC TIG pulse welding mode. This is the two-track welding mode. Let us see how two-track welding mode works. Press the torch trigger switch to start the welding and keep it pressed. At first, the pre-flow gas time starts. It reaches, then the start current is activated. It reaches the peak current value with preset upslope time. If you are using a pulse welding mode, you get peak current, base current, duty cycle, and pulse frequency as per the preset values. Then press the torch trigger to finish the welding. The peak current comes down to stop current value with the preset down slope time. This is 4-track welding mode. Now let us see how 4-track welding mode works. Press the torch trigger to start the welding and keep it pressed. At first, the pre-gas flow starts. Then the start current is activated. Then release the torch trigger. Then the current reaches the peak current value with the preset upslope time. If you are using pulse welding mode, you get peak current, base current, duty cycle, and pulse frequency as per the preset values. Press the torch trigger again and keep it pressed for finishing the welding. The peak current comes down to stop current value with the preset downslope time. Now release the torch trigger. Now your current comes down to 0 and you get the post flow as per the preset time. This is the encoder for parameter setting. Press the encoder for parameter selection and rotate for setting the value of selected parameter. This is pre-flow time. It is the time before the gas before welding. Start current is the minimum current at which welding starts. This is upslope time. Current is gradually increased from some lower value to a higher value in the set time. These are some parameters to be set during pulse welding. Pulse frequency is to be set in pulse TIG welding mode. It is in Hertz. Duty cycle sets the balance between the time at the peak current level and the base current level in pulse mode. 50% is equal time high and low. This is the base current. It is the low current level in pulse welding. This is downslope time. This is the time taken for welding current to ramp down to either a crater fill or finish welding. This is stop current. It is the minimum current at which the welding is finished. The post-flow gas is the time the shielding gas continues to flow after the torch switch has been released and the welding is finished. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the machine. Now you are ready to weld.